down here in Phoenix, Arizona. I love coming down here. The weather, I mean, those warm nights, sitting outside, listening to great tunes, eating great food, hanging out with your friends. I mean, it's just, I wish someone could make a restaurant concept around that. Oh, yeah, they did. This is the Deuce.
There's nothing like it in Phoenix.
Just normal in Phoenix?
No, this is a great place to hang out. Look at it. I mean, we have everything. Shopping, boxing, food, bar.
Shopping, boxing, food, and bar.
All things Windy City transplant Steve and Andy Rosenstein love.
It's almost like our personal playground.
So what'd you guys do in Chicago?
We had a clothing company that we started right out of college. We sold the business in 2006.
Before heading to Phoenix, setting up shop in a warehouse area called the Deuce. Here, Steve whips them into shape while Andy runs the kitchen, AKA an Airstream trailer, and cranks out her family favorites.
Order up, pot pie.
Which are very, very unique.
We're baking in this.
We're baking in that.
This I gotta say.
So we're gonna start by making the dough. Flour, a little kosher salt, a little bit of sugar. And we're gonna cut in our butter. Pulse that in. Okay.
Get in there.
Form it into a big ball.
Let this rest.
And let it rest. Flatten it out a little bit so it's easier to roll. Okay, good to go. Then we use the tops of our mason jars to cut a circle. Build the bottom, form the sides. And then I've got to cut the tops out. Here we go. I mean, you power bake them.
These go in the oven, what temp?
You pop in the oven at 350, 2-3 minutes.
We're gonna get into the filling?
We're gonna make the filling. Start with butter.
So you feel that it's okay to give copious amounts of butter in your food because you have a boxing ring?
I fatten them up, steam trims them. We're gonna add boneless chicken
Get so fly with the chicken thigh?
Then dry out as much as white meat does. We tried it with white meat. I'm gonna brown that. Okay, we're gonna add in a little chopped onion, add diced celery, a diced carrot, a little kosher salt. We're gonna add in a little chicken stock. We're gonna let that simmer. So while that's browning, we're gonna make the roux. We're going to start with a little butter. Whisk in a little flour. Now thicken a little bit.
Okay, you want the chicken stock?
Chicken stock, heavy cream. Stir that till it thickens.
So the roux goes in with the chicken, and now the corn so it stays nice and tender.
Parsley.
So we'll let it continue to tighten up. Okay, so we have these baked off. Now you're gonna fill them?
All the way to the top.
It's a nice little portion you're giving in there.
And we're gonna top it with a circle of pie dough. And we're gonna pop them in the oven. And they're ready to taste.
Smoking hot. Really nice flaky crust. And the key, that corn.
Fresh corn.
But the kicker, chicken thigh makes it.
Yep.
That dark meat.
Yep.
It's still tender and great flavor. Oh, and there's a little bit of crust on the side. Oh, there you go. And the papa. My God. Oh, wow.
It's amazing. I mean, it's loaded with vegetables, which is awesome. It's almost like a cookie. It's got a little sweetness to it, but it's just delicious.
Good job you got the gym right next door.
I plan on working out after I eat.